There's more trouble for Karnataka Congress Mantri D.K. Shivkumar. Fresh complaint, we are given to understand, has now been filed against Shivkumar with the Enforcement Directorate for converting 2,000 crore rupees during demonetization period into new currency. A complaint has now been filed on charges of money laundering, charges of stashing black money as well. And that's the letter that you can see on your screen. Let me go across to Nikhil, who joins us for more on this big story. Nikhil, already there are raids taking place and now there is more trouble coming in with fresh complaint being filed with the Enforcement Directorate.
Much strength from the fact that there was hard cash that was recovered from D.K. Shivkumar's residence in Delhi, and the counting has gone into close to 11 crore rupees. And having looked at that, there possibly is a reason for the complainant to believe that through the course of time, the many speculations, the credible speculations that there were, possibly are true, which is why he invites the attention of the Enforcement Directorate to probe further into it, only to determine and ascertain if at all those aspersions being cast are true or anywhere close to being true. And in this particular case, it's just not D.K. Shivkumar that is being spoken about. You see, there is a real estate fraud who's also in jail at this point in time. It's a Sachin Nayak. And then there is a Dwarkanath who, as we know, is being raided even as we speak at his RT Nagar residence in North Bangalore. Those raids are also in connection to D.K. Shivkumar and the raids being conducted at D.K. Shivkumar's homes and offices. Then there is a Putswami Gowda, an electrical contractor. It takes no time to guess or assert that D.K. Shivkumar is the energy minister, in that sense has quite some bit of transaction and business possibly with electrical contractors. Then there is a G.V. Balaram, who is a renewable energy, again something to do with energy, and private secretary to the energy minister are amongst his accomplices, the way it is seen. There is a certain mechanism also that they get into explaining. You see, they go on to say how close to 2,000 crore rupees was converted, allegedly, by D.K. Shivkumar and the others mentioned in the complaint, including Sachin Nayak. Where they say that members in his constituency or people in his constituency who are known to be his ardent supporters were given monies up to the amount of 2 lakh rupees per head. And by that measure, they also got in exchange the new notes. And the new notes were all consolidated by, again, as per the complainant, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. So